In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a call center sales order. It's important to note that I am already logged in as a user who has previously been linked to a call center channel. From the menu, I can begin creating a call center sales order in one of two ways. I can either go into All Sales Orders or Customer Service. For today's demonstration, I will start in Customer Service. When the customer service form opens, I have two options. I can either create a new customer if the customer is brand new to my company, or I can search for the customer if they have previous history. If I want to search for the customer, I have options, maybe searching by a specific phone number or email address. I can also use the keyword search, which will allow multiple fields on the customer record to be searched for a match. In this case, I will type in Jennifer, which will search customer records that have the word Jennifer in key fields. In this case, I just have the one record that matches, and this is the customer that I want to select. When I select the customer, you'll note that I do have the option of editing the customer record from here if necessary. But in this case, I'm just going to select it and begin my process. From the customer service form, I do have the option of helping Jennifer with questions about orders that have already been placed. Maybe she needs to know the status of an order or wants to cancel a previous order. I can do all of that from the customer service form. In this case, Jennifer wants to place a new order, so I will click New Sales Order. When the sales order entry form opens, I have an option of entering in a source code ID. Sometimes this is known as a key code or a catalog code. This is an optional feature, and the retailer may use this in direct marketing. If Jennifer received a catalog from my company, there may be a code on the back, and by giving me that code, she may be eligible for additional prices and promotions. Also, by giving me the code, this will let me as a company track the response rate to that promotion. I'm going to enter in the source code ID from Jennifer's catalog that she read back to me. And you'll note that this can optionally trigger our first script that we see on the screen. Scripts are optional features. This is messaging. They can be used for internal purposes or to read out loud to the customer. Once I've entered in the source code, I can begin entering in my products. If Jennifer knows the item number, she can just read me the item number and I can enter it in. If she doesn't know the item number, I can type in keywords in this field to search the database for matching products. In this case, I'm going to enter in the item number that Jennifer read to me, and we'll note that I am being prompted with a potential cross-sell. Jennifer is ordering a pink leather shoulder bag, and we think that these sunglasses would go great with that bag. If Jennifer agrees, we can select the warehouse where these sunglasses will ship from and add that line item to the order. In this case, we now have two line items on the sales order, and you'll note as I click on the different line items, the images that have been created for the products can appear here and will be specific to the line that I have selected. If scripts have also been created for the products, those would also show on the screen. Now that we have our products, I'm going to click Complete to end this order. I'm taken to the sales order summary, where I can optionally see another script that I can read back to the customer. This is also a source code specific script. I can also see the full total that Jennifer owes, $244.33. Jennifer wants to pay with a credit card, so I'm going to click Add under the Payments area, choose the credit card type, and then I can see that Jennifer has used a credit card previously that we have on file. I can confirm the last four digits of the card with her, and if she agrees, I can use that card to pay for this order. I'll click OK to save my payment information, and now all we have to do is click Submit to complete this order. Once the order is created, the user is returned back to the customer service form. The order that we just created is at the top of the list in case we need to make any additional changes or answer any further questions. I'm also now back in the customer service form where I can search for my next customer and start the process all over again.